Hi friends, this is Mommy XO and you're watching Toy Much Fun. Today we have another Twozie video for you. I'm going to be opening two Twozie 12 packs. I'm so excited to see what new characters I can find. This one has my favorite Twozie ever. I love the little fox, it's so cute. Well, let's start with this one. Let's get opening. So here's a look at all of our exposed characters. We have Letty. We have Kayla or Kala. I believe this is Henrietta. And she's a rooster. Uh-oh. My favorite, Swifty. And the adorable elephant, Toby. Now here's a new one for my collection, and I believe her name is Forrest. Forrest the bear. And then we have Henrietta's match, and this is Penny. Penny and Henrietta. So let's get opening our mystery bags. Oh cool, we got a bird. This would definitely be under the Too Noisy, and this is Beaky. Beaky. Oh, we got a little rhino. This is Stompy. How sweet. Come on, ultra rare. Will we get an ultra rare in this pack, you guys? Oh, look, is this a little cheetah? I think this is a little cheetah, and I think his name is Spotty. And he's under the Too Cool. He might be a leopard. I'm not sure. This is another little animal. Oh, we got Coil, I think his name is. Yeah, he's really cute. I do not like snakes in real life, but Coil is adorable. And last but not least, oh yay, we got the polar bear, you guys. I needed her for my collection. Her name is Iggy. How sweet. Let's open our second pack. So here we have another bear, and I needed her for my collection too, and her name, or his name, is Beeper. Beeper the bear. Then we have right in the front Honey, and that's a little honeybee. And here's his little Twozie baby friend, Potts. Honey Potts. That's adorable. Uh-oh, they're all falling over, guys. Next we have this giraffe. I bet that would be under the Too Adventurous. Nope, I'm wrong. This is Lofty, and it's under the Too Wild. I guess that makes sense. Next we got two Noisy, and this is Billy. And he goes with Beaky, so we made a match in this video. Yay! How adorable. Next we have a sweet little lamb, and this is Bailey. Bailey, how sweet. And then we have a cat, and I think this cat's name is Millie. Millie seems to be pretty common. I'm kind of hoping they come out with wave 2 soon because we keep getting all the same Twozie babies. Okay, for our first mystery. Oh, we have a bear. I needed this one. This is Chatter, and I think this is a little polar bear too. Yay, we got Chatter. That's new to the collection. I think this is a little lion. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that. That is adorable. His name is Lester the lion, and he is so cute. Oh, these little animals are adorable. Uh-oh. Oh, yay, we got our little horsey. We got a little horsey, and his name is Carter. How sweet. Only a couple more blind bags left, guys. Oh, we got the other rhino, and I think this is Chargy. Yep, Chargy. Oh, how sweet. Okay, and last but not least, oh, what's this? Oh, is this an ultra wear? Oh my gosh, I just pulled the head off, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, let me pop her head back on. This is the ultra rare Creamy. Oh my gosh, and I just did a video and I had Dreamy. Hold on, let me get Creamy and Dreamy and put them together. Here they are. Oh my gosh, I finally got an ultra rare pair. I only had one other one, and that was Zendaya, I think, and that was the zebra, or Xenia, the zebra. And I have not found an ultra rare baby since. I'm so happy. These really are ultra rares, I'm telling ya. Oh my gosh, you guys. So here are all our babies and pets we got from these 2 packs of 12 Twozies in each pack. I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, friends, you have a great day. Bye-bye.